Introducing ResetSmile, where we believe everyone deserves the confidence of a beautiful smile. With ResetSmile, restoring your smile is easier than ever with 3 simple steps, all from the comfort of your own home. Step 1. Order online by taking our quick survey. You'll find out if you're a candidate immediately and then be guided through our simple and intuitive online ordering system. Step 2. You'll receive your free at-home impression kit within 4 business days of your order. Take your impressions by following our user-friendly guide and mail it back to us using the prepaid envelope. And Step 3. Receive your ResetSmile device approved by our licensed dentist. In just 4 weeks, you'll have a partial denture that's tailored to your unique dental anatomy, giving you the smile you've always wanted at a fraction of the cost. Every purchase also includes our 30-day smile guarantee. If you're not happy with your new smile after 30 days, we'll replace it for free or give you your money back. Regain your confidence with ResetSmile. Order now and start smiling again.